Hi, and welcome back to yet another episode in Robinhood School of Traders. In this episode, we'll learn the power of Hull Suite, and we'll try to read with the aid of RSI, and we have, if you're doing correct, intraday kind of trade. Uh, First of all, thanks for a great response which I got from you guys for a super trade. And I got many questions which are asking for settings of super trade. And in coming days, I'll make a video of super trade on the settings, super trade rainbow I'm referring to. And thanks to one more subscriber who asked me, Robin, can you share the indicator which is far aggressive than EMA and SMA? So this is dedicated to that subscriber. So let's get started. In this video, what are we going to see? Will see the power of Hull, its properties in intraday, swing trade, and for long term. And we'll try to touch base the formula. So let's get started. So first, let's see how does the indicator look like. The indicator is quite simple. Whenever you see a change in color, there's a half first probability that the trend is changing. It's a leading indicator, and we can use it. So this data will hit you in the face. Very simple indicator. No. Now, if you want to, this is a moving averages. You can use this at the momentum also. For your war speed, you can use RSI. So this is nothing. We bought a 3 lines of RSI, 60, 50, and 40. So whenever you get a crossover of 50 plus, keep on adding the point. Be in the rally until you getting talking one. So do this to shifts. This is a bank nifty chart, intraday 5 minute chart, and toward the date May 4th of December 2024. So where to get this indicator will get in Trading View. It's all free of cost. So we are discussing all. There's the third one, Hull MA. The default setting of Hull MA is 16. So we'll change it based on our needs. For swing trade, I generally prefer 20, and for intraday, I go for 40 kind of settings. So why this? Because it gives reduces the noise and gives a great signal. So let's see a few more examples. This is Nifty 50 in today's, as I told you. So lovely time frame. You can see the colors. So technically, we got one call, two call, and 3 calls and 4 calls in it. With aid of new indicators, you can with VWAP or RSI, you can fine tune this. We get great 4 trades, 3 to 4 trades in a day. Today being insurance sector move in the morning, it was led by SBI Life, followed by SDFC Life, and followed by LIC. So what a great move! And again, you can see the a crossover of indicator and followed by RSI. Now we'll check this indicator with VWAP. So I plotted the same graph in VWAP. So dotted lines are volume weighted average price. So you can see price going above the VWAP. You can simply use this and use this information to do the trade in your futures and options. It works pretty well. The indicator itself is so great. It was pretty well. So whenever you see a change in color, you're looking for a change in some sort of trend. So this is the simple trend. You can, over here, I've used VWAP. You can use any other indicator. Let's see a few more examples. Same with Bank Nifty. So last time it was RSI, this time it was, we have same thing we made with your volume weighted average price. So nothing to speak. The data will hit in the face, so you can be in the rally. The rule is very simple. If the price is changing from here, for example, in this particular case at this juncture, and the price changes to green, for example, we want all the price to within this the range. Now, if the price comes out of the range, we will try to look for other indicators confirmation. Similarly, if the indicator over here is turning around, indicator over here is turning around, and we want all the price to be within the range, within this so-called indicator. If somehow the price moves away from this particular line, then we will take help of other indicator. We will see, is the price changing or the short time the price is moving. So there's a fine tweaking we can do, but the basic is quite example, very simple. The indicator works greatly in intraday scalping also. Just to give a perspective, I've plotted the Hull SMA, EMA in same time frame. So I took example of Reliance. Over here, this is the typical Hull EMA which you have seen. Just to give a perspective, I plotted two more. This is blue line is simple moving average, same time period 21, simple moving average of 21, and the black line is exponential moving average of 21. And this indicator is a Hull of same time from 21. So you can see every time the Hull indicator is nearby to its price. Why? Because the formula it uses is weighted moving average. Weighted moving average by default, it gives more weightage to the nearby price. Above that, it will do a square root of this also. And the smooth, it is very, very smoothing indicator. So let's see, let's have a bite of this formula. The formula is very simple. The formula works in three verticals. The first vertical says you have to do nothing. You have to take the weighted moving average. You will take the weighted moving average of the period which you are saying and divide it by 2, n by 2, n by 2, and whatever figure you're getting, you will multiply that into 2. So the first step you will do. Second step, what you will do, you will do nothing. You will simply take this weighted moving average of the same period, In our case, this was the period. For example, N1 is the period, OS example, NM is the period. So let's say this will take the same NM period and NM period. Now third step what we'll do? Third step, it will subtract. Third step will do nothing. It will subtract 1 minus 2. And the fourth step, what we'll do, it will do a square root. Fourth step will do the square root of this 3. So it works in very, very simple. Now, let's don't get frightened about this simple. All the calculations are there. It's done by the software just to have an overview of the indicator. Robin, what is WMA? Every time we use the word called WMA. Let's have a small bite of WMA. WMA is nothing but weighted moving average. So example, this is the time period of an instrument and this is the price in dollars. Right. So what they will give? This indicator will give more weightage to the nearby price. How? So it will calculate the period. What is a period? What is a period over here? To simply calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is a period. So it will simply give, the formula is very simple. The formula is, it will multiply 91 into 1 by 50. So you get one figure, right? So similarly, it will keep on wave. The second step, it will take 91 into 2 by 15. So it is giving lesser weightage to a far price, but over here it will give the maximum weightage to nearby price. It will give the maximum weightage to nearby price. So it will do 90. What is the price is? Price is 90, for example. 90. This is also price from the 90. Sorry, my apologies. This will also be 90. 90 into 5 by 50. So you can see it is giving much more weightage to the nearby price. Hence, what is happening? The price indicator will work very, very near to the price. And this is the formula goes like, which I did. And it will divide this with all the price divided by n. N is over the period, n into n plus 1 by 2. So over here, and we'll simply add all the prices. You can see after adding all the price, we get a figure. What are the figures? 89.39. You can see it is very, very bang near to the price. So this is the power of weighted moving average. And what it is doing above top of this, it is doing the square root. Hence, it is much more smoother than weighted moving average. I'm sure you must have understood this, the basic logic of the formula. Friends, this works pretty well in long-term trade also. So we got a long-term trade crossover in Chambal fertilizer. It was a group. So Chambal is moving out. So this was the crossover and move pretty well, right? So one simple thing, this indicator, you cannot trade the isolation. You have to use other indicator depending upon your appetite, depending on the show, whatever you feel like. But it is very, very leading kind of indicator. Next was Hindustan Lever. It's a live call. We got a great call way back in the server, but somehow we are stuck due to the lack of volume. Next, we have a great call in MASDOC. One can keep this stock in radar. It's an absolute range amount stock. See the range, it works. If it breaks this range tomorrow, then you're due for another 6-7% move till 5154. This is a lovely, this is the beauty of this indicator also. And it works in all the time frame ways. So I've showed you this indicator. It works in all the time frame. Number one, it is far superior than SMA and EMAs. Number two, you can take help of this indicator in terms of VWAP for intraday. You can use this with RSI or MACD for swing trade. So with this, I think our trading should increase, and we should be able to get more profit. This indicator, by the way, the data will hit you in the face, and it is very simple to trade. Guys, I'm sure you must have liked the video. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel. I request to hit the bell icon so that whatever video I'm creating comes to you directly. And if you have any question, do write to me or do call to me in this number. Thank you.